We've been doing some snow management over the last couple of days. The last storm was pretty terrible, mostly because there was a lot of ice on the bottom of it, and then there was snow on the top. So when I took out the snowblower, it just scraped the top couple of inches off, but it left, you know, a thick block of ice underneath. So we ended up with the tractor, and it's interesting because you can see the snow that we picked up. I'm just about done, but without this, we would not be having a clean driveway. In the bucket here, there's, you know, these big chunks. This is all off the driveway, scraped off the driveway. And you can see we're down to at least the ice layer underneath from the storm a couple of weeks ago. But it means that at least when new snow comes down, we should be able to manage it better with the snowblower. And then there's the other problem of managing the snow. You can see we've got these gigantic piles here that are growing, and you think, oh, that's not too bad. But with the little tractor, you have to climb up on the hills to be able to dump that stuff. So we've done quite a bit of pushing the snow piles around. And you can see there's that one big glacier over there that we still have to manage. Well, that's enough fun, I mean work, for one day.